Here is how we can change the action button on the iPhone. So the action button is on the left above the volume buttons, and it can be used for various different things. But to make changes to it, what you have to do is to open up settings like this and scroll through the options until you literally find the action button. So it is right below the accessibility. So click on it like this, and you can choose from the main options. So by default, it is likely going to be selected to change the silent mode, but you can scroll through it like this and perhaps let it change it to the focus mode or camera access, visual intelligence, flashlight, voice memos, and so on, right? Like the translate, zoom, and so on. But at the end of the day, the option which gives you more possibilities is this one. So it is called the shortcut. So this shortcut, it also has the icon of the Siri shortcuts app, and that's essentially what it can do. So when you click on choose a shortcut, it moves you over into the Siri shortcuts app, and this can be customized and set up to literally trigger anything, right? So if I actually leave the app and go to the shortcuts in here, you can see that we can set up so many random things. For example, to send a message over WhatsApp, right? And you can kind of customize it in a way, right? You can also choose a shortcut to open ChatGPT, or do something very specific like just clean up some photos, right? So it's just gonna find a photo where the extension is of certain type, and it's gonna change it to something else. And if you have this type of shortcut saved on your phone, you can also trigger it with the action button. So this was the setting in here. When you go to the action button section, choose a shortcut, and you can choose something from your phone. For example, the raw cleanup, right? And now whatever I'm doing on my phone, I can just hold it down on the action button, and it's gonna run the shortcut. So this gives you pretty much endless possibilities. But let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it and change it on your phone. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.